Hi, I'm Laura, and let's talk about EA. Did you know Vowel Team EA can make 3 sounds? The most common sound, and the first way we teach it to students, is the long E sound, like bead, reel, steal, leap, team, feature, or heel. The next way is for EA to say the short E sound, as in bread, realm, stealth, leapt, feather, health, and sweat. And the rarest way to say it is long A. All we have is break, great, steak, and yay. The shift from the long E sound happened during the great vowel shift. And how do you know which word to use? Context. And how did I figure all this out? From my great resources.